Hi and welcome to this new introduction video on the new Illustra Camera Manager application. This new tool from Illustra is still in development and will see a phased release through into 2026. This first phase release sees the core functions and features from the Illustra WebGUI being utilized for users. This video will provide a brief overview of the Camera Manager and its functionality. The new Illustra Camera Manager can be downloaded from the Illustra website and installed to users' desktops. Login using the default login details under Admin. From the first screen, users can either scan their network for cameras or search manually with specific IP details. For this demonstration, we will scan our network, which we are given two options. We can either scan our Wi-Fi network or scan our Ethernet connection. After selecting our Ethernet network, you must provide the specific username and password for the connected cameras. You can also use the default Illustra profile logins of Admin. When the Camera Manager scans the network, it will connect to any and all cameras that are connected to the network and display all the associated cameras on the main home screen. There are three states that the cameras will appear in, including normal, unauthorized when the incorrect username and password has been entered, and conflict when there is a specific IP conflict with more than one camera with the same IP details. For the unauthorized camera, users can simply put in the correct and up-to-date login details to change its state to normal. From the main home screen, users can see lots of additional information on each camera, including device name, model, product code, IP address, MAC address, and firmware version. By using the drop-down icon, users are able to edit some of the key details for the camera, including network settings and picture settings, including picture zoom and orientation, depending on the specific camera functionality. Users can then use the configuration cog icon to edit more of the core functions and settings on the camera itself, including general settings, security settings, network, date and time, video settings, analytics, edge recording, and firmware. As mentioned earlier, with this first phase release, each of these settings are the basic essentials, and more support and additional settings will be added to the Camera Manager with future releases. It is also important to note here that Camera Manager has been designed to initially support the Gen 4 camera models and currently supports all models bar the dual and multi-sensor camera models. These cameras will be supported in future releases alongside third-party camera support. One of the main new features that comes with the Illustra Camera Manager is the capability to preform a bulk firmware update to multiple cameras. This can be done from the main home screen under the firmware upgrade icon, where users can upload the relevant firmware and select all required cameras for it to be installed on. Users can also create a bulk configuration template that can be rolled out to multiple cameras simultaneously. This can include details from security, date and time, and basic video settings. It is important to note here that these bulk settings are stripped down, as there is no one-size-fits-all setting for multiple cameras, and it is always best practice to ensure all cameras are configured individually to ensure each camera has the appropriate settings and is configured for its own specific best picture and settings. A full user manual is available from the help icon in the Camera Manager and will be continuously updated with future releases. Thank you all for watching, and remember to check the support portal for all future releases and updates.